If you break a spoke on your wheel, the best thing you can do is stop riding until you can get it repaired. However, sometimes you simply have to keep riding, in which case you can keep the broken spoke out of the way by twisting it around an adjacent spoke. To replace the damaged spoke, first remove your tire, tube, and rim tape. Then remove both ends of the damaged spoke and nipple. Spokes usually break either at the nipple or at the hub flange. If it's a rear wheel, you'll have to remove the cassette or freewheel first. Insert the new spoke and gently flex it into place using the other spokes as a guide. When installed properly, the spoke pattern should be consistent all the way around the wheel. I personally recommend using linseed oil to lubricate the nipple threads. Now thread the nipple onto the spoke using either a flathead screwdriver or a nipple driver. Gently pre-bend the new spoke by pushing down on it at the hub flange. And then tighten the nipple with a spoke wrench until it has the same tension as the rest of the wheel. You can check this by plucking the middle of the other spokes on the same side and comparing them with the sound of the new spoke. Then true the wheel as demonstrated in the last tutorial and reinstall your rim tape and tire.